I am not a lawyer. Please follow the advice and regulations of the court and your representative. These tips are given to help you present yourself on Zoom or in online meetings, whether in court or just in a business meeting. Alright, forgive me, some of these are just like so obvious, but I see it all the time. So, tip number 1, put your phone on Do Not Disturb so pop-ups don't interrupt your session. Put your phone on a stable surface. Holding it shows every movement you make, and it disrupts the video feed. Keep your phone plugged in so it doesn't die during trial. That's like the last thing they need is to call you back. Speak slowly and clearly so the court reporter can get an accurate transcript and so that the judge doesn't have to say over and over again to speak slowly and clearly. Remember that everything you say can be used against you, so keep your answers close to one word, yes or no. Connect to Wi-Fi, ensuring a clean and crisp signal. Go to Starbucks, McDonald's, I don't care where you gotta go, just go. Don't be driving. This is dangerous and the court will have to kick you out. This includes being a passenger in a moving vehicle. I'm like, I don't care if you're in court or where you are, class, don't do it. It's stupid. Co-defendants need to be in separate rooms or locations or feedback will disrupt audio. Be remorseful and apologetic. It goes a long way with court. Trust. Just be authentic. If you're appearing without an attorney or pro se, make sure the court and all plaintiffs receive copies of your filings so they can properly present the facts. Don't talk when someone else is talking. When you're on Zoom, you're in court, so be dressed and groomed accordingly. Don't have your children or other people in the room with you. They're not witnesses, and if they are, they need to use a different device, or they may have to be sworn in. Download Crisp, starts with a K. If on a computer, it vastly improves audio so you can be heard nice and crisp. Stay calm and patient. Your character is very important and affects your reputation with the court. Keep profanities to yourself, mute, say it on the side, don't say it at all, say it in your head. Take notes so you have a solid memory of testimony and can respond when it's time to speak. Don't add additional details that weren't asked for. Remember that whole yes and no thing? Yeah, stick to yes and no. Don't react poorly to other witnesses' testimony. Even on mute, just keep the face in check. Eat before the Zoom meeting and take your prescribed meds. If you have an attorney, let them speak for you, unless you're giving testimony. That's why you paid them. Get your facts straight. No dates of any trials, arrests, drug screenings, treatment services, jail time, jobs held, residences with addresses, and full names of individuals you're bringing up in court so that it's not hearsay and they can call them. Lighting is important. Don't sit in a dark room. Camera orientation, vertical and mobile, is best. We don't want to be looking at you sideways. Turn off distractions. No music or TV should be on. You're in court. Be sober. Drug use can be detected in your eye contact, gestures, and all your fidgeting. And don't give excuses, give reasons in your testimony. Show up on time with your camera and audio on. Stay muted until addressed by name. Don't be argumentative or speak down on witnesses and plaintiffs. Meet with your attorney before your appearance. Not showing up is like not showing up. What? Not showing up online is like not showing up in person. And the court can impose a bench warrant. That makes a lot more sense. Turn yourself in if a warrant is issued. It's a lot easier if you just do that. Go to a bail bondsman and have them look it up and walk you through the process. It's easier that way. Don't double book your time. Take the time off from work and get a babysitter if applicable. Know your defenses off the top of your head. Read instructions given by the court ahead of time so that you know them. Utilize and complete all the free services given to you. Keep the background free of distractions, without any clutter. You don't need to be looking a mess. Don't hold up pictures or signs. Those aren't evidence. Jeez, and you can't see them. Understand the court's procedures. You will get your turn to speak when it's time. Trust and act like you care. Don't roll your eyes. Sit up straight. Hold your head up. Keep your emotions in check. Crying in court rarely helps your case. Don't vape or smoke. You're in a courtroom. Just pretend you're in court. Don't eat or drink. You're in court. Most times having a bottle of water is permitted, but just try to refrain. You're not there that long, I hope. If you're sick, notify the court and your attorney well in advance of your time of appearance, because being sick in court is not a good look and impairs your thinking, and they can just continue it to another date, dude. Alright, so remember, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm not a lawyer or licensed in any capacity to offer legal advice. Follow the instructions from the court and your legal representative.